PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania is a commercial HVAC contractor that serves customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. Our locally owned family-run commercial HVAC contractor installs and repairs all major brands of heating and cooling systems. Call our commercial HVAC contractor if you have questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What does commercial mean in HVAC? Commercial HVAC includes heating and cooling large properties like business buildings, restaurants, rental properties, hospitals, schools, and more. Commercial HVAC differs from residential HVAC in size, capacity, and operational complexity due to scale. Which HVAC system is best for commercial building? The variable refrigerant volume or variable refrigerant flow system heats and cools with a refrigerant. This system is best for medium or large commercial spaces because it uses a single condenser for multiple evaporators. What is your service area for the Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC contractor service have helped clients in Drexel Hill, Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndham, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, and Millbourne, Pennsylvania. Where is your Drexel Hill, PA commercial HVAC contractor service office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Drexel-Hill-AC-Heating-Repair-Install.